Welcome to the research world. In this video, you will see that how to convert a picture into editable table. This is a picture you can see in my PowerPoint presentation. Now, how to convert into the editable table. So let's follow the steps. First of all, copy this image. Then open Word document. Now click on the Paste option on the left top corner of the Word document, and then select the Paste Special. From here, select the PNG option, that is PNG Picture. Press OK. Adjust the size of your photo. Now click on the File option, click on Save As. Now select the location where you want to save this file. For example, I am going to select Desktop. Now select the type, that is the Save As type, so click on this option, and from here, choose the PDF. Now press Save. Open the Word document again, click on the File option, and click on the Open, and choose the file where you have saved that PDF. So click on the Desktop, and from here, choose that document. That is our document. Now, click on the OK button so you can see that it has been converted into the editable form. You can select it and you can resize it, or you can make changes into this file anywhere. So in this way, we can convert an image into the editable table. Thank you for watching.